started. Like, hello, this is Pima, and this is my first YouTube channel. Wow, I can't believe I'm saying this video. I'm sweating.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go.
Hello, 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 hello. And I love doing this so much. I think I've not figured out how to introduce myself yet. So you're going to see a lot of hellos. So hello, I'm Pima, and this is my first YouTube channel. I got that right? Yeah, this is my first YouTube channel, and I'm excited about this journey I'm starting in my life. So we are in January 2026, and I'm starting this new YouTube channel today, and I'm excited about it. Like, so why am I even doing this video? I'm doing this video so that 10 years to come, I'll look back at it and go like, wow, girl, small beginnings are a blessing. And I just appreciate God the more. I'm excited about this journey. I'm really excited about it. And so who is Pima? Pima is into fashion. Pima is a designer. Pima is a creative. Pima is obsessed with sewing. Pima is into pattern drafting. Pima is a lot of things. Pima is obsessed with sewing, fashion, everything about creating. Yeah, I'm a creative. So welcome to this channel. This is my first YouTube video, and I'm excited about it. Subscribe, like, and stay tuned, and turn on your notifications so that you can get an update whenever I post a new video. Okay.